Hey, welcome back to LR Options. In today's video, we're going to be trading against the trend. Okay, so we're going to be going over when to trade against the trend. Okay, so let's look at bntx, bio and tech stock. And in this chart, we see that we are in a downtrend beginning November 30th, 2021. Okay, so we're definitely in a downtrend, but we want to trade against the trend, and the trend is going down. So those usually would be put trades, but we want to put in a call trade. When do we do that? Okay, we do that as soon as we see the red bars changing into the green bars. Okay, and that would be a pull-up, when we see a pull-up coming up. All right, so let's say over here we're let me mark it off. Let's say over here we're going into a downtrend, right? Then we see a green. Let me make that clearer. Hold on. Let me see if I can get rid of this. All right, so we're going into a downtrend. We see a green bar. Okay, we see a confirming green bar, which is a good time to enter a call trade against the trend. But we're not going to hold on to this for very long, because when we're trading against the trend, it doesn't last long. That move does not last long. It's a short move. Okay, so it's, we would hold it maybe 1 to 3 days at the most, whatever you feel comfortable with, but we do not hold on to it for a long time. Okay, because a trend can be going on for weeks, months. Okay, but a pullback, especially on the daily time frame, is going to be days. All right, so again, we're going down. Okay, we see a green bar appear. Okay, a little uptrend there against the trend. Okay, we're going down. Green bar. Okay. And there we go against the trend. Okay, let me get rid of this. Okay, now let's say we're in an uptrend. Same thing. You want to trade against the trend if you see that there's an opportunity for profit. So here we are going up. Okay, you see a big red bar appear. Okay, lasts a long time. You may want to enter a trade right there. Okay, the next day the green bar appears and you exit the trade. Okay, same thing. Continue up. You see 1, 2, 3 bars. You can enter the trade right here. Stay in it for 2, 3 days and then exit right there. Okay, let's look at another stock. Let's look at BYND, Beyond Meat Incorporated. Okay, BYND. Okay, this stock also is in a downtrend. Okay, the stock is underneath the 200 moving average indicator, and it is under the 20-day average indicator. Okay, so as soon as you see the stock going into a downtrend, you're going to see the 200 moving average and the 20 moving average, or the space between the stock and the 200 moving average, starts to get wider. Okay, it starts to get wider. So okay, let me remove this. So what you would do is, again, you let's say you're trading puts because the trend is going down. So but you also see that there's room for profit with the pullbacks, which would be a call trade. Okay, so since there's room for profit, and you notice that whenever there's a pullback, it lasts for 2 or 3 days, you feel that's good enough for profit. You know, you want to take as much opportunity as you can. So again, we're in a downtrend. Okay, we're going in a down. All right, let's see. We're going in a downtrend. A green bar appears. Another green bar. That's a large green bar. You can enter the trade here. Stay in it 2 days. Same thing here. Pullback. Green bar. Especially when you see the green bar and the pullback overtakes the previous red bar that was there before, then that's a good time to enter a call trade. Okay, a trade against the trend. Again, we're going down. You see one green bar, another one you can enter here. You can stay in that trade for a while. Again, going down. Okay, over here there's a huge gap going down. Okay, the stock gap down. So then it starts to go up. All right, so you can enter a trade there. Again, another gap. Goes up for just maybe a day, 2 days. Again, we're going down. Green bar appears. Second green bar, you can enter for the pullback. Okay, let's get rid of this. Okay, and the same thing down here. Let's look at another chart. Let's look at Carnival Corporation. Okay. Again, another downtrend. The stock is below the 200 and the 20 moving average indicator. So over here, we see that it's coming down. You see one green bar appear, a second green bar above that one. That's a good place to enter a trade against the trend. Can stay in there for a few days. You've got a huge gap over here. You can exit over here when you see the first green bar appear the next day. Again, trade is going down. You see a green bar, red, then you see a green overtake the previous red, so you can enter for a call trade right there. Okay, that would be a trade against the trend. Again, going down, confirming green bar. You can go up. You can exit with the first red bar you see. Again, going down. Enter here. You can stay in the trade for a while. Exit here. Okay, you have move down here. Then you see a huge red green bar. So when it's maybe around here, halfway or 3/4 of the way, you can enter that trade, stay in it for a second day, and exit. Okay. So all right, we're gonna end this video here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Comment, like, and share, and let everyone know what we're doing here at LR Options. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.